When you open Prython, a demo project will be opened. You can read a detailed explanation there. There are other demo projects that you can use by clicking in here. Let's, for example, pick one with machine learning. You can use the Search console here to find more information about specific things. For example, let's search how to run a panel. Under Help, you can find cheat sheets for some Python and R libraries. On our website, you can find some technical discussions about specific R and Python packages with some code. You can also navigate through our documentation,